applying themes. Click Slide. Click Change Theme. Select a theme from the side menu in which you'd like for all of your slides to be. Click it, and all of your slides will automatically default to that theme.